In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Dodo Webview on Android. So just follow these steps exactly. Now the first thing you want to do is open the Chrome browser on your phone. Now once Chrome opens, tap on the search bar and type Dodo Webview up to down and search for it. Now from the search results, click on the official up to down link. Now once the page opens, just scroll down a little bit and tap on Get the latest version. Now after that, scroll down again until you see the download button and tap on it. Now the download will start automatically, so just wait for it to finish. Now once the download is complete, tap on the downloaded APK file and install it. And if your phone asks for permission, just allow it. Now after installation finishes, Dodo Webview will be installed and work correctly. And that's it. That's how you download and install Dodo Webview on Android. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.